How's it going, fellas? Michael Starks with The Stylish Grown Man, where we discuss men's clothing, lifestyle, grooming, and fitness. If you're down with these topics, click this little red subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. So today, guys, we're going to talk about shining your shoes. Now, what's the use of having a nice pair of super fly dress shoes that you're wearing with your suit? You are sharp from top to bottom, but when you get down to those feet and you see those shoes, they look pretty crabby. So like I've said so many times before, ladies notice your shoes. So you want those shoes to look very nice. In this video, I'm going to show you how to polish your shoes. So this shoe needs to be polished. A lot of guys would probably say, oh, it's not that bad. But I like my shoes to be really shiny when I wear them with my suits. Okay, so word of a recommendation here. See this little cedar shoe tree? I recommend that you have these for every single pair of shoes that you have. As you can see, your shoes begin to develop these wrinkles here. So these shoe trees help slow the process down. If you're properly taking care of your shoes, this won't be that bad. Also, shoe trees help with the moisture. Like when you wear these shoes all day, your feet get moist. You get some moisture on your feet, and that moisture gets into these shoes. Now, if you don't put anything in there to help wick away that moisture inside your shoes, it could damage your shoes. So you want to make sure you get shoe trees for all your shoes. I highly recommend them. Okay, so what will you need to polish your shoes? You're going to need shoe polish and an applicator brush. Now, for your shoe polish, I recommend that you get the color of your shoe. So this particular shoe is black. I'm going to have black shoe polish. If I have a cordovan or burgundy color shoe, I'm going to make sure I have a cordovan or burgundy shoe polish. Another thing, if you have an exotic skin shoe like this is actually a crocodile loafer from Magnanni. You probably don't want to use this type of shoe polish on it. You probably want to get like a cream for exotic skins on these shoes. You got to be really careful with these. Make sure you have a brush, a shoe brush, that you take the polish off with after you put it on. I have a shoe brush for each color shoe that I have. And lastly, a cup of water. I'll tell you why in a little while. And a white cotton t-shirt that you are no longer wearing. All right, let's jump in, guys. So the first thing you want to do is you want to wipe your shoes off with a wet towel or your wet t-shirt or whatever, if you want to use one of your t-shirts. And then you're going to take this applicator, get a little polish, and then you're going to take it and rub it on your shoe like this, all over. And since these are black, I'll go ahead and put some on the sole. They have a product called edge dressing that you can just paint, kind of like paint on the soles. But since these are black, I'll just go ahead and put some polish on the soles as well. These are leather soles anyway. So I'll brush this on all over the shoe. And once I do that, typically I'll let these sit for about 2 hours so that polish can dry a little bit. But since I'm making a video, we're going to go ahead and show you how to do this. All right, so after a couple of hours, then I'll go ahead and brush it off with the brush. Now, if you're in a pinch, you can do this. This will be fine. You'll still get a decent shine. But if you really want a really good shine, I would let it sit for a couple of hours. Okay, there you go. Doesn't that look sharp? Okay, guys, and the final step is to take a little water and sprinkle it on the shoe like so. And then you're going to take your rag and wipe it off. Now, this is a cheating method for me. When I was in the military, we were supposed to spit shine our boots, make sure they were really shiny where you could see like they were like a mirror, you know what I'm saying? So after you do that, boom, you'll get something like that. Guys, that is a shiny shoe, ready to go to work. So that's it, guys. That's how you shine your shoes. That probably took me about 5 minutes. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a couple of comments down in the comment section. Let me know what you do to shine your shoes. And if you think someone else could use this video, make sure you share it with them. And as always, be stylish today.